have 3 on you.
You have some good sweat,
I must have
Dani.
like sugary sweat. Oh, he's moving my neck.
He's not gonna.
like it.
No, he's just licking you.
What's up, everyone? It's Dani.
And Nick.
And today we are at the zoo in the Bahamas. We are taking everyone in our group here with us, and we are going to go check out the zoo. They said there's a show time at 3:30 and it's 2:45. So
But we don't know what is at the show, so that remains to be seen.
hopefully some flamingo feeding.
Or other animal feeding. Let's go.
Shout out to our camera holder. Woo, thank you.
The parrot.
Look at this one, he's going upside down.
Hello. Woo. He's coming.
Hair's all.
Show him off with the camera.
Hey, buddy.
He's got a big beak.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
How do you?
Reading about it.
Hey.
There's a sign over
She
there.
doesn't speak.
What's up, buddy? Hi.
Like a ferret. Their noises are really cool. What are they, Chris?
The kestrel, it's a seabird.
What does that mean?
Like they live by the sea and stuff. Little tiny falcon.
Like, what should we do with our old toilets? We will make them into pots. Hey, little buddy. You're friendly. Go ahead, listen.
Put your finger in there.
Oh.
They have sharp nails.
That's for when they go attack.
Well, you can see all.
But there's 7 to 12 on the island. At least one wild.
Oh, he does not like that.
They look pretty healthy.
More shrimp.
Hi.
Barn owl. His face is so pretty.
Bird feeding. Thank you. Oh.
Just stand here and hold yours out, and I'll see if I can catch.
Dani, do you want me to film you? Oh, okay.
That one's coming. Oh, that one did something.
That's here.
Your mom.
I'm scared. Oh, they're fighting.
Even though there's more food around.
Yeah, come get this one.
No one wants Chris's apple. Oh, he took my peel.
Aww. Hi. Oh, you've taken my peel too. Give it back. What do you think?
He's really clamping my hand.
Yeah, I know, right?
Mom, look at me. Don't their nails feel weird?
Yeah, they're heavier than we think they may.
Now they like your apple.
They came from behind, I wasn't ready.
Oh, that one's a big one.
That's why I was trying to get over here. Man, this guy's greedy. He's going through it quick.
Yeah, what do you think it feels like?
They have sharp claws, but it's not that bad.
He's so tickling me. It's so cool. Oh my god, that's his tongue. He's like licking you.
I have 3 on
You
you.
have some good
I
sweat,
must have
Dani.
like sugary sweat. Oh, he's moving my neck.
He's not gonna.
like it.
No, he's just licking you.
Dani's got all over.
He's licking you.
Their tongue is so weird.
I don't like him in my neck.
I know, no, he doesn't want to leave you.
Mom,
Look at that.
you look so distraught.
It really tickles.
Here,
Is it gone?
it's gone.
Okay.
That was fun.
That was fun. Glad you guys liked it. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
And the flamingos will be over in that part.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can we hold that for you?
That was so fun.
What do you guys think of that?
That was so awesome, especially when they were licking the sweat off of your back.
I know, you were freaking out. You were so distraught.
Well,
Awesome.
it makes sense because they're liquid feeders. So if they're because they don't eat the apple peel, they just eat the chew up the apple and get the liquid out. So they probably wanted the salt and stuff and the sweat.
Good thing we weren't on a first date, because then I would be like, I don't sweat.
You can't not sweat.
Now, we are playing a very important role for today. We need you to award the birds 2 applause for listening to their drill sergeant. So every time the birds come to a stop, I'd like to give a nice loud round of applause for the sensitive birds. National Birds of the Bahamas as they enter the arena, and it's also welcome their trainer, Lionel. Woo! And a nice big round of applause as they come to that first stop. Ready for this that you see before you range from age 8 to 41 years old.
Hey, thanks so much. Get up. Like this.
And let's give a next round of applause. Strike your best flamingo pose.
Keep going, keep going.
Those are some very tall flamingos.
Come on, give me some flamingo. That's it?
No noises.
I didn't get like any pictures. Come on, any better poses. There you go.
We just finished our day. We walked downtown Nassau, which was awesome. If you are into shopping, there are plenty of fancy shops and souvenir shops there. Then we ate at the Green Parrot, which is right behind me. Delicious food with great service right along the water. So awesome. And the zoo was incredible. Would totally recommend it. We'll see you guys tomorrow for our last day here in Nassau. Bye.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out